Hello YouTubers. So Andrew from Solar Bushcraft 1 here. How's it going? I was tagged by Mouse in a Bottle. His name was Gavin. What nice fella. He started uploading YouTube videos there not so long ago. Nice fella. Hey Gavin, bud, you take care now. Hope that information I gave you sorts out. Anyway, I was tagged. It was your EDC knife, but I don't do 1 or 2, I do 3. I've done a video on this already. It's the Leatherman style CS wife gave me as a Christmas present. Everybody knows what that is. It's on my keys all the time. The keys are always usually on me. Wait, I'm just stuck in the can and then driving. And then this is another, the man's wallet. I won't show how much money's in there. It's just very little, very little. Anyway, yeah, little credit card pocket thing. I've been carrying this around for a long while. See that? Cheapy, cheap. I suppose a lot of people have seen that. This is for a button compass. That's for different nuts. That's for opening wing nuts, I found out eventually. There's a knife there, there's a screwdriver, lanyard hole, little saw. Of course the old bottle opener. I've said a few things actually, it's very good. Not so good for airport security though. We won't talk about that. This is my EDC. Yeah, it came tan and I sprayed it green and now it looks bloody awful, but anyway, sprayed in the sandy colour it was. This is my Leatherman. Leatherman Mule. Leatherman MT. Where is it? There it is. Leatherman, how do they call it? Military utility tool. It's designed basically for the American military for cleaning their rifles. M16, AR-15 kind of family. Or yeah, that kind of family. Those rifles they have. This one's got loads of stuff in it. Yeah. Scraping carbon, or your gas ports and all your working parts, the bolts and all that. Little clip for your belt, and it also works well as bottle opener. And there's a hammer to it, and that's a good hammer actually as well. And there's a web cutter for cutting webbing, belts, all that kind of stuff. And there's a big, oh sorry, where is it? Pocket clip there. It's a good pocket clip as well. You can only hang it off your belt. Yeah, I have a different version from the original version. The original version is Leatherman Mule. Mine is a Leatherman Mule. What is it? EOD. So the clip part in the middle there, that's for squeezing down on what is it? Charges? Oh yeah, so crimping the cable when you put it into the detonation before you put it into the plastic explosives. Generally we squeeze it down, you push it and you stuff it in the hole. And it's got replaceable blades. I didn't know it was a DOE or EDO until I got it, and then it dawned on me that there was a different version, as you can see. But anyway, I don't think I'll be using that much anymore, will I? It's got a wicked blade in it. One-handed opening. Locks as well. And it is wicked sharp. Serrated just at the edge here. It's really good for cutting rope as well. And on the other side then, they have it. So, is that right? That's what it says in the tin. There's a pin or punch On the other version it's just the flathead and you can unscrew it. It's designed for breaking open the rifle. There was 2 pins at the back and the front to separate the upper from the lower. Oh yeah, what else can I show you? If you can see there, see the pin that goes out? That pin holds. Can you see it there? And push it back out again. See it sliding out? A double bit screwdriver, flat on one side, Phillips on the other side, and it goes into this part here. You depress, as it says, press this little clip here, you press it in, and you pull out that little. That actually goes there. It slots in here, but I find it. I've taken it out, and that wasn't there. That was inside the pocket. It's not good, so I just left it in there all the time. You can put that in there. Depress, see? And now it becomes like a long screwdriver. There's another one here. Can you see it coming up? There it is. It's Allen key and hex head. Don't think I'll be using that much often. So the pin closes it up. So it comes across. Stops it coming out. I like this one though. See the hole through here? I can't see it. The hole through there, yeah. Slips right down through that hole. Back down in there. And then it's closed off again. See, it's closed off now. It can't come out. Why did I choose this one? Because it looked tactical. I just like tactical stuff. And there's a clip here. This little clip. When you close it up, sometimes you open. Close it up. That's sweet. It's on my hip all the time. Another thing as well. See where it closes up like that? For this Webbit cutter. I put that up there, stops lots of stuff going in there to get caught and cut. Because it will get cut, and it does cut, I tell you. See the clip? Oh. Close the clip. Pulls it tight, that's sweet. Yeah, I liked it. I'll show you what I used to carry before for about 10 years. Oh yeah, there's a spanner that comes with it. I don't use the spanner at all because it's only for changing the sights or moving the sights on and off a rifle, and I just don't really carry it. It usually goes inside a little pocket hole there. You slip it down inside there, it goes all the way down to the bottom. And there's another pocket there. See, there's another pocket there, you slip it down inside there. All again, still at the back there's another little pocket for it. Another little pocket down in there. You can only put a fire seal in those pockets, don't you? Fire seal rack. You can fit in those no problem. See the way down inside there. I don't carry that spanner because I don't be moving sights and rifles that often. Not at all. This is my old EDC. That's not the original pouch. The original pouch is well gone by now. The Velcro just came apart on it. Varnox. What a multi-tool. If God was making a multi-tool, this one would be it. Oh, the video's gone on for 10 minutes. It's going to take forever to load up. But anyway, I carried this for 10 years. What? Was it 10 years? Maybe it's less, maybe it's 8 years. But what a multi-tool. "10 years of abuse and it's still with me." The Fornox, they're the same crowd, they're German, they're the same crowd as with the Swiss Army knife, I think. I think they were bought up with the same company, but anyway, that's what I used to carry before. And this is what I carry now. Leatherman. Where is that? Mule or mute. Yeah, I'm dyslexic, so that's. Take care, you. I hope that answers your question, Gav, boy. Take care. Take care, YouTubers. This is why Ireland is so green. No desert in this country anyway. Listen to that.